Hello. Just thought I'd say hi. I haven't really got much to talk about. Just saying hi for the sake of saying hi. I've got my new webcam that I've not really tried out yet. The sound on it isn't very good, and to be honest, neither is the video. But hopefully, I'll be able to get something a little bit better at some point. But yeah, I just wanted to swing by and say hello, and hope everyone's having a good year. Um, and yeah, that's just basically it. That's the whole sole reason I even made this little video. I wanted to test the webcam out, and I thought, what better way to do it than saying hi to everyone on Tumblr? So, hope you're having yourselves a good year, and good night.